be so much fun. Okay, so I'll go easy on you since this is your first time. Hey, okay, you ready? Choose your character. I'm playing as Ike. Okay. Here, I'll choose one for you. Who do you want to play as? Okay. Here you go. Okay. Why'd you press that? Okay, it's the first time, I understand. Okay, you want to play here? Okay, random. Alright. I'll go easy on you. Okay. You're not doing anything. You attack with this button. Okay? Okay, now... Alright. Okay, do something. You're gonna die. What? That's just the vibrate. Here, get off me. Play the game. Play the game. Sit. Stay. Be a good boy. Okay? Okay, good boy. Here you go. Maybe this isn't the best game for you. Let's play something else. Where are you going? Stay still. We're trying to watch a movie.
We're in the middle of an alert. Daddy, strap up. The quake's coming in. Impact in 30 seconds. Sorry, you too, everyone. Just hold on. Time. Hold on to what? Anything. I don't care. Just hold on. Food. Are we fixed?
This is the scary part.
It's much appreciated.
What's this bloody called anyway? Sounds like stupid. It hasn't got a name. How can it have a name? You really don't know.
Ew, fluid everywhere.
Oh, well, that was a surprise.
Maybe this isn't this movie. Why'd you? Good thing I paused it. Let's go find something else to do. Okay, so you think Professor Plum did it in the conservatory with the candlestick? What? Let's see. Professor Plum? Candlestick? That's your 9th time to win! I'm getting tired of losing. Come on, let's go play something else. Alright. Left foot. Yellow. Where are you going? You're supposed to... So you play the game? Yeah, you better get back here. Hey. You know what? This is just too hard. Let's find something that both of us can do. I have an idea. I finally figured out something we could do together. Night, my little lamb thing.